Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, traders around the world. This is Phil V at Trading Capital Markets, and we're gonna do a little trade recap yesterday. Okay, so what happened was I hit two stop losses yesterday, and we'll see why. So over here, this is the 7 a.m. line. We had left buy side over here and a sell side over here. Right at the open, we left relative equal lows. We came and took the buy side as a sweep, and then we came right back down and then consolidated for the rest of the the morning session. So what happened was it swept over here. I got in on this first presented on this bullish fair value gap over here, and I didn't wait to see what type of action it would create to see if it would create a second bullish fair value gap to like use it as support. It went straight through and then used it as a, let's take this off, as an inversion fair value gap to come and attack these relative equal lows. It was my mistake. I was a little bit preemptive in my attempts to get the highs and continue a bit higher. But what I did not, what I failed to remember was these relative equal lows still remained after the buy side was taken. So I should have stayed a bit more cautious when it came above these highs. I didn't. My stop was right here. Boom, right below these lows. It took me out. After that, I thought it was going to continue because there was a change in market structure over here. So we took the high, then we took the low, and we closed below these lows with bodies. So I started shorting in this fair value gap. You can see at the beginning of this fair value gap over here. And after that, my stops were above these highs. So I entered on a second position over here because I thought there was created two consecutive fair value gaps to the downside, bearish fair value gaps, and I thought this was a continuation of break in market structure to the downside, but it was not. Therefore, when that happened, I thought we were still in this leg, right? In this leg of the down move. So my stop was dragged from here to down here. And when we failed to make a new high, I dragged my stop from here to here. And then when this candle closed below over here and this one continued like this, I put my stop above here, and that's when it took me out. So that's my trade recap. And it was reacting strongly to this first presented fair value gap turned inversion. Took these relative equal highs, dropped, took this liquidity over here, this one. Didn't take this one because this is like a swing point, you see? So it took these lows, and these are the types of lows. So a lower low on the right with higher lows on the left is turning points usually. So yeah, took this liquidity and came back up to take the highs of the day again. All to come right back down, not take these lows, create relative equal lows again, not take these highs, and then smash it in London session. So that was the trade recap of yesterday's session. Took the buy at the beginning of this fair value gap, got stopped out here, then took inverse my position, short here, and got stopped out over here. Hope you guys enjoyed the trade recap of yesterday's session. And now let's hop on to the NASDAQ pre-market analysis. Have a great day, everyone.